what hour flight we on. I just know the time has changed. But I did not put lashes this time because I knew it was gonna fall out. Sam's curls dropped.
Oh yeah.
Dielle got us Bailey coffee.
She got us lit.
She got us lit. Hold on.
They're having book this the book club.
This the book club over there. Look at the book club over there. And the shoe club. Y'all need some kicks?
That's a cute vaccine. That's
So
my new shoe.
the kicks.
You could drink your Baileys out of this.
So this the kicks. If y'all need pastors and kicks, boy pastors and sneakers, preachers and sneakers. There you go, preacher with some sneakers. Amen.
Amen.
Weird.
We're on top of the desert.
We are on top of the wave.
I think it's a desert.
I mean, you see the light? Hey, hi y'all. Hey.
No.
Hey.
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 No, I just.
You miss me?
Why you gotta be so close?
Yes. Say hi.
Camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi.
Don't look afraid to the camera.
Say hi. I'm gonna just zoom into your face. Hold on.
I feel like you got 4 more rings.
I know. I was about to say
Yeah,
that.
they just stacking up.
Sis got a ring upgrade. Oh, you just added this one?
Y'all, we need to be like Octavia. Lord, send us
trying, girl.
Eric got cousins? Okay, yeah, but no. I do cousins only.
There's too much cameras in my living right now. I cannot.
Thank you.
Manu done fell for it. She devoured it. Because of that nasty egg. I don't know where they taking me to eat, but I'm about to eat.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Look at a Joshua tree.
Yeah, you need a small car.
No, you can't see nothing.
That would know. If I had a drone, I can't wait to have a drone.
So we are in San Fran and we are
It's
in
not
the
San Fran, it's
okay.
called the city.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are in the city.
I don't know why they call it the city.
I know, right? But the city name is San Francisco.
Exactly.
So, but it's neither here nor there. The homeowners here say it's called the city. And we are in the, what's this thing? The wiggly ziggly,
The windy road.
the whiny road. Savanah has inclination or declination issues.
Yeah, I do not like to decline or incline. I hate steeps. It's not mine. It's following you. It's fine. It's not my forte. It's not my cup of tea. It's not for me. So everybody else went all the way down. So I told Sam to go, but she still.
I can't leave her behind. We in a city that we don't know.
It doesn't even matter.
Like, I'm not gonna leave her by herself.
It's not leaving me by myself. I still want you to enjoy it too.
I know,
just
but
don't want to go all the way down. I hate stairs. It gave me
It is nice.
It's
though.
beautiful. The plants are nice. It's a beautiful attraction. These homeowners are so nice to make people make noise and be around their area to take pictures and pass through. That's proud.
But yeah, then we're gonna go hit up a Bubba spot.
Ooh, everybody loves boba, and then
Yeah.
look at the hood.
Look at them walking back up. They made it to the bottom. Cause does it catch her? I don't think it can even catch. Cause it's behind the trees. Yo, they got my dog struggling. How was it, y'all? How was it?
Great.
You huffing and puffing.
Because it was good.
Anu, how was the Stairmaster?
It's a great day in the city, you know what I mean?
So we went to this place called Urban Ritual, and it's not the best, but it's not the worst.
Tastes better than creme brulee.
I got the creme brulee
I love that we're just all talking.
with Bubba in it,
Savanah.
but it was good. There's another
Savanah.
spot that
Look up
Manushka
tea
did
and
tell
others.
us, but we didn't look it up.
Cooler and it has a more extensive menu. So I feel like y'all would have liked that.
Yeah, we would have liked it more. This one is not. Octavia didn't even like hers. Okay.
Hey, I tried to give them a choice. Wow, this is serious. Subject was lost. Okay, they found me again. That's what it said. I don't know anything about Bobo. Boba. And I gave them 2 options and they made me choose. And they should have chose themselves. So
We did it based on reviews.
that's true. But we should have did it based on menu.
That's true.
Because like you know what you like from boba and this is a very Asian town. It's a very Asian town, so it's very probably because we're close to Asia, but so it's very unique to like what they probably their flavor palettes. And so in Miami, it's probably very like American, like they probably like
Like the one in Orlando where the little Chinatown
This
is.
is very
It tastes
Asian.
like this but better. Like remember the one we went to for my birthday?
oh my
for-
gosh, the place next to my spot.
Yes.
My favorite restaurant.
That place was fire.
Yo.
That place was busting. It was an actual creme
And all the
brulee.
Asians in Orlando were literally in that one spot.
Oh snap! I know.
Tori
told us
Tori.
about it. Yes, Tori Tori.
That's my spot.
So this thing be busting.
But yeah, look up tea and others.
It has a 4-point.
So today in Target, this is what we do.
I want those glasses off. I want to trade glasses.
That's what happens when you have a Red Bull in your hand.
Baby love management.
Baby love man. She said, "Call me baby love management."
I was born. I was born to you. You birthed me.
Now we are at some beautiful spot.
It's gonna follow this right.
It's gonna fall. Sav's just standing behind me.
Huh? Hey y'all.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see.
We should do walk down.
How do you zoom? Oh, the plus.
Yeah.
Alright, there's some stairs that we can walk down to. Hey guys. Welcome to our vlog. I don't even know if the camera's on.
It is.
Oh, it's on.
It's freezing, but it's good. So beautiful. Woo.
Got the cameras.
Cut it. Cut it out. Like, subscribe,
Comment,
down
share.
Oh yeah, click it,
click it, thumbs up, subscribe, like, and follow.
red button turn. Right? What's it great? I think you should just walk.
It's not that close.
Yeah,
Okay, we're about to have dinner.
How's the front?
Yeah, good. Yeah. That was gorgeous as always.
How y'all?
We healthy tonight.
Today is officially day 2 of the city, even though we still consider it San Francisco. The city is Miami, all day, every day, period. We have our photographers over there. Well, now they chilling, checking up. They up photos. Hello, Manu. Oh, hello, Manishka. Now they doing like equal, like, what is it called? Like, we look good. It's perfect in that corner. This is the B&B, Sam. Looking fab in this pretty little thing fit. Ooh, show the little. We got the little thoughtless out here. Baby T looking cute. The fabulous people. Octavia and of course Dio taking photos. I like these pants. I need them. Oh my god. I want to take pictures. Little Mo.
This is a love.
Okay.
But I have a favorite. Oh my god.
Hey y'all, so we're out here in the nature with our friends. It's all these dogs.
You know, strolling out here with my bestie in the back.
I'm struggling.
I'm over this. This ain't for me.
All right, so we're heading back, and now we're going to downtown Sacramento. I mean, downtown Oakland.
I was like, wait, when did
Yeah, I was like, how Sacramento?
speak about this? Like,
I was gonna say, what?
Y'all, we made it. Barely. Okay, now we're going to get some cupcakes.
Cheers. Sam look like she on Love and Hip Hop. We dying. It's cold. Yeah, it is. T's on a chopping block tonight on Big Sister. Let's see. I have to do a hair flip. Thank you for sharing this moment.
Thank you. Bye.
Dang. Samyra complaining.
I'm confused. How we in this big old nice house and this is how they're leaving stuff? Like, did their parents not teach them how to be clean and organized?
But you ain't say no name though.
Dielle.
What is wrong with them? It's not about them. It's all about me.
It's not us. It's unity, not singularity.
Get up.
Is that even a word?
It's about
singularity.
It's about them, but you us. Okay? You don't ask me another question.
it.